my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. She the only one who ain't left me. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend. That's my best friend. Hugs and kisses to my best friend.
Hey guys, it's OK Nation. I'm Kiana.
And I'm Kiera.
Welcome back to another video. In today's video, or tonight's video, we're going to be doing a mukbang. A Wendy's mukbang. And we're going to be giving y'all a life update. What's going on right now. I apologize in advance if I smack.
We're going to see if I can eat and talk. Because that's really bad manners. But it's so proper in videos. I mean, I guess it's just like eating dinner at home or at restaurants where you're eating and talking. But I've never had anybody look at me while I'm eating. Or I have. Anyways. First of all, we're on a little, it's a late birthday trip for us, but it's our Mimi's birthday coming up this weekend. So we came to New Orleans. It's our first time. We're with our mom and our cousin and our Mimi. They've all been before. We haven't been. So that's why the scenery is what it is. I think that's enough back. So our last video was my life update. I'm doing much better than I was in that video. My appetite is not fully back, but as y'all see, I'm eating. So that's different from that
I
video
ate enough
too.
for the both of us.
Right.
Gained all of it.
All the weight I lost, she's technically gaining. But it's okay.
We love that for me.
Love that for her. But I still have some stuff I gotta work out, but it's getting better, so that's all that matters. So I'll just keep praying for me. Keep lifting us up. Keep us encouraged. And all of that good stuff. Oh, we got the 4 for 4 if y'all care.
We finished our summer classes. It was our first summer classes. I only had one. She had 2.
Yeah, I took philosophy in June, and then we took kinesiology in July.
Which I
and it just ended.
Don't recommend
At all. It sucks.
It was annoying.
Like, I didn't want to take it at school, but I also thought taking it online would be better. It sucked either way. Not a fan at all. But I'm doing what I gotta do so I can get this dang degree. So philosophy, I still don't like the class, but it was better online. Cause first of all, my professor that I took it with in class, his rating was good, but he was really hard, I guess, and it was hard for me to understand all that I had to do. So taking it online, they have to be extra clear, and they're more efficient when it comes to answering questions and emails and stuff like that. So that part I did I actually did really good taking it online. I did way better than I did taking it in class. So if you do take philosophy, I recommend you take it online. Don't do it in class. Unless you're like me and you like doing it in class, but watch what professor you take.
I'm excited for school coming up though.
Yeah, I'm kind of worried about it, but
we're gonna get that all worked out.
she has peach lemonade. So good. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Which
and then
I don't think they had this in Texas, so
I have strawberry.
Louisiana already has a point for me.
Which we've been to Shreveport before. I don't know if
But we
Oh,
only
no,
stopped
we
for
didn't
beignets, which is my all-time favorite. So I have strawberry lemonade if y'all want to know.
I feel better. Like, right now I'm good. Like, I'm wanting to film. Yeah. Excuse any smacking or any seafood because I'm not trying to show y'all, but I guess this is what you do in a mukbang. The event is this Sunday. It will be in Lancaster. Yes, yes. We're going to be doing a live broadcast of our Bachelor Double Carnation series, which is
that
gonna
will
be
be
the
the
kickoff
kickoff
to season 2. Yep. So we'll have it recorded live for y'all, and then we'll start filming season 2. It is going to be recorded live, but if you're in the DFW area and you can make it, we would love to see y'all come out. Bring all the kids, and it's not just that Sunday. If you want to come and let your kids participate in the event, it is posted on our
Facebook and Instagram.
and also our personal Instagrams if you have us, and our Snapchats and Twitters. I literally think that's all the social medias to have. If you see us and you want a picture, don't be afraid to ask. You know, we're not famous yet. Even when I get there, I'm still taking pictures, but you know, take them with us before we get big. So you can say you was here for the glow up, okay? Period. I low-key missed y'all, but I wanted to make sure I was good. Like I said, I really, really missed y'all. Like, I was wanting to ask, but I just let her take her time. Yeah, you can't rush. You gotta go through the storms. Still not all the way through it, but I'm getting through it. So, like I said, y'all just keep praying for me. And Lord keeps me and my family because they're crazy. Spinning on all 10, throwing all 8, and seeing all clips, period. And that's that on that. And that's on life. And that's on life, Mom. That's my favorite little dude. I really think that's all. If I'm gonna be honest, we told y'all. I updated y'all on me. I'm recording, so that should tell y'all. Okay. Well, it's been a whole nother month. I'm not even gonna apologize because I told y'all I still needed some time. I still need some time, but I feel much better now than I did then. But then y'all, I mean, school. Oh, speaking of, school's about to start back up in like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. But also, another thing about school, I do not recommend for you to take summer classes in both semesters because I've not really had a summer. Like, no. Like, today was the first day I could actually read for pleasure. And not because I had to read it for homework or read it so I could answer some questions. And that's really annoying. Because I enjoy reading. But I couldn't just read to read. I had to read because an assignment was due. And then now I'm only stuck with a week and a half, 2 weeks of actual summer. And then we're right back into school. So, I mean, unless you can handle it, unless you like that rush, I don't recommend it. I do recommend online classes. I do like that. But I do not recommend the classes in both summer semesters. Stay tuned for our New Orleans vlog. Coming soon to a YouTube channel near you. I guess we'll see y'all, or we hope to see y'all. Tune in for our next video. We would like it if you'd all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, lovelies.